Hello guys, welcome back to Bonsai Crazy's Roots and Rivers. Now we're going to continue with the van build today. Got lots to do on the van. Got to put the wood down for the bed. Need to finish the wallpaper in. Make a box for the toilet. Do some painting on it. So I've got a fair bit to do today. I might even put up my bed chair today as well. That'll take a bit of time, and I'm considering putting that up, although I should put the kitchen up first. I'm still waiting on parts for the kitchen, which is taking forever, so I'm still waiting on that. But as soon as that's here, we'll get that done, and I'll almost be ready to move out. So the first thing to do today is to get this bed laid, get the holes cut out for the bed so that it doesn't cause condensation or mold. So that's the first thing on the list. So let's get going. So right guys, next thing we've got to do is we've got to paint that bit of wood now, get it all painted and get the box painted for the toilet. So, gonna get on with that now.
Every time I think you're gonna walk out of my door, I start to jump to the conclusion you don't love me no more. Babe, give me something to work with, can you just reassure me? I'll end it before it starts, call it protecting my heart. Hurt disguised as strength, but it's self-sabotage my love, self-sabotage my love, cause of my own pain. No one's coming to save you, baby girl. You got to save yourself.
Yeah, mate. Oh, thank you.
I think that's alright.
No, it's been alright actually.
Money-wise.
About £4 grand. Yeah. Good. No, that's in all about 25. Yeah.
The last few years, then I just got rid of the van.
Yeah, you've got to have the time, especially those ones. Oh, thank you. Yeah, I am.
Oh, you are?
Yeah. It's Bonsai Crazy, Roots and River. Or just put Bonsai Crazy.
Bonsai Crazy?
Bonsai Crazy.
Sorry, don't mind me, I'm fucking nosy.
No, of course not.
Bonsai Crazy?
Yeah, Bonsai Crazy. Hello, you alright? Looking pretty?
Hey, I've got your Bonsai Crazy. What's it?
Nice one,
You're
mate.
the bonsai?
Yeah, I'm into bonsai, yeah.
Bonsai? Go behind you. Go that way though. Nice to meet you, bro.
Yeah, you too, mate.
Look at my drone video.
Your what videos?
Drone video.
Drone.
I like filming aerial shots and stuff.
What's your
Punish 1408. You'll see me, I'll add you in it.
Punish 1408? Nice one, mate. Ta-da. Hiya. Yeah, you alright?
Thank you. That's not looking nice.
Yeah, it's getting there.
Yeah.
Ooh, yeah, baby. No. We never said exclusive. I just promised you my time, and I'm giving it to you, babe. So why you being accusive? Your emotions running wild. If you don't calm down, I can't stay. Breathe in, breathe out. Let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie. I swear I'll try to give you my everything. Baby, can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in the long run. Baby, let it slide.
Right, guys, I'm going to leave the video here. I've got a fishing rod holder up, and I've done the bed, done some painting, done the box. Got a few more things to do, but first off I need to tidy up and get myself organised again before I start. So I'm going to leave the video here and say goodbye. Next time, hopefully, I'll be doing the kitchen and getting the chair made, or the chair bed made, and then we'll go from there. I will nearly be done by then. Just the water to sort out and the sink to sort out, and then I'll be done. So I'll be on the road. So a week or so, maybe 2 weeks, and I'll be on the road. So as ever, please like and subscribe, follow my craziness throughout the years, and I'll see you all next time, guys. Ta-da.